Hi guys, do you want to create a navigation bars like this front of us? So if you really want to create like this, welcome to my channel, Programming Academic on YouTube. So you are going to learning many things, many beautiful um, technologies things you are going to learning. Always you are going to learning new things. And then there's a full stack course for HTML and CSS for front end. You are going to learning. And then you are going to create like same like this navigation bars. It is so simple and it's so easy. You see, it is less than 10 minutes. You are going to create like this beautiful navigation bars. You see hover over and then it look amazing. It is very responsive website. It is look great, right? It's less than 10 minutes. How do you code? So if you are guys new, so many people they asking me, is the coding is so difficult and then it is really hard. So it is no, it's not difficult, it is not hard, it is so easy to start to code like this and to make like this small things, and then in the future you are going to build a big websites. I'm sure 100%. So many people in the beginning they are say, because this is coding, you do have to give time to like build like this. It's not easy in the beginning. Everything in the beginning is a little bit harder, but in the future everything is going to be easier, right? So what are you waiting for? Let's come to Programming Academic channel and then learn it for free, right? So yeah, if you are guys new here, like and subscribe so you will never miss one of my videos or my tutorials. You will never miss. So you are going to always learn new things, new technologies. So come and then last to learning together from one another. So see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.